Yeah, I found it safe.
Ooh, you did? Hey, guess what? Today's the day that we're moving! Woo! Okay, so the movers are going to come to our old house right here, and they're going to be packing up our storage tents. We do still have quite a bit of junk in the back. It's not junk though, it's stuff for our business. So we have that there that came undone on. And then we have this one right here that they're going to move for us. We're going to be leaving this house pretty soon and going to our new house, which I am so excited about. Okay, so we're gonna get started with cleaning out some of these bedrooms, and we'll start with this one. It is full of all kinds of stuff. So I'll probably put a little time lapse in here and you can watch me clear stuff out. I'm sure that's very exciting for you, so enjoy, because I know I will be. Okay, and I don't know why I'm not wearing gloves, so gross. Oh my gosh. Good housekeeping. March 1959. So there we go, ladies and gents. This is what good housekeeping used to look like. It's gonna look great in the garbage. And if you guys see some stuff and you think that it's worth money and I'm throwing it out, please let me know in the comments. And here we have an old newspaper. 76. This is some really nice faux leather right here. I'm gonna put it in my YouTube room. YouTube room, okay. There is just so much stuff in here. Let's keep going. Someone like to smoke the pipe. Okay, so my dear husband has got everything cleared out except for those two boxes, which means when the moving guys come, there will be plenty of space to put our stuff, because the garage just keeps going back. Okay, now I'm actually in the corner.
And these boxes, they're like work documents and court documents.
Oh, good lord.
Yeah.
And back in we go. So now that we have the garage all cleaned out, it's time to go upstairs and clean out the loft. There is a lot of stuff up here, and this is where my husband and I are going to try to have our bedroom. I think it would be pretty neat. We got some big plans. So all this stuff has to be gone through. There's just so much dishes. There's like random stuff. Oh my gosh, an old TV. Here's our garbage pile. There's like, oh, just everything. I mean, look at all this. If you see anything that looks like it's worth money, like I said, let me know. There's a ton of old records. There's this really nice sewing machine. Let me show it to you. Look at that. And all the pieces look good. It still seems like it works. See? I'm turning the deal, and that is going up and down. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so let's look around here and see what else we can find that's fun. Let's see. Oh. Suitcase. Let's see. Oh. Now would you look at that? Okay, so we've got some buying guide books. There's quite the collection of stuff here, which makes me think that they possibly were resellers in their time and maybe became hoarders. Let's see, some books in here. We do not want to get rid of anything that might be worth value, because that could actually help us pay for the house, because like I said, we did get a bit less than we were expecting left over to fix the house. Even less than before, but I guess that's my business. If you want it to be your business, let me know and I'll make a video. Back to looking at other people's things.
You hear what?
I think they were hoarders.
Oh.
World's worst jokes. Let's see, how bad are they? Oh my gosh, please. I don't have to edit anything. Let me read to you a story. Okay, so the joke is, my dog doesn't have a tail. How do you know when he's happy? He stops biting me. That's funny. Let's do another one. My dog doesn't have a nose. How does he smell? Terrible. These are bad jokes. We're just gonna probably give class a bye-bye joke, but okay. Got some, what is this? A castle book? A book about castles? What's going on here? Whoa, you're okay. I just was worried about you. Possible inspiration for the castle I'm living in.
So, I found a safe.
Ooh, you did?
Yeah, I can't get it open.
Let me see. The viewers want to see the safe.
I think you press this button and do something. I don't know.
Alright. Let's see here. Oh! You see the problem?
What?
It appears to be screwed shut. It is screwed shut. We need a butt head. Yeah, here. Let's shake it. Sounds like
heavy in there, kinda.
sounds like money. Like coins.
Like coins, I know. I like coins.
We'll let you know when we get it open. Alright, back to crap that's not ours. It is ours now. This thing. Does anybody know what this is? This might be my thumbnail. My son will use those for lifting weights. He's the next Hulk. Let's see. Oh, old newspapers. How old?
79.
Damn, it's 1 year after I was born. I don't know. Are old newspapers worth money besides using as insulation? Let me know down in the comments, please. Okay, I'm gonna put this down.
And these are garbage. Oh, honey, are you alright?
I don't know. I heard something pop. I don't know if it was just my ankle popping or something else popping. I, didn't realize that stair was there. I caught it with my ankle and just did it.
Oh, honey, I'm so sorry.
I'm probably gonna have to sit down for a minute.
Of course, yeah, that's fine.
I don't know if you heard all that, but I just freaking fell down the goddamn stairs and twisted my ankle, so I'm gonna go sit on the couch.